The Government of Karnataka has approved the establishment of 50 artificial intelligence laboratories in government colleges across the state to expand access to emerging technologies and enhance employability among youth in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and towns. The initiative was announced in the state budget for 2026 to 27 and will be implemented in partnership with the Government of India's AI mission. It aims to equip students with industry-relevant skills in emerging technologies and prepare them for opportunities in the digital economy. Under the program, the AI laboratories will provide students with hands-on exposure to artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and other advanced technologies through practical training, skill development programs, and innovation-oriented learning. The initiative is expected to strengthen students' technological capabilities, improve employability, and enhance their readiness for future job markets. Priyank Kharge, Minister for Home, Information Technology, Biotechnology and E-Governance said, "The future of employment will be shaped by technology," and stressed that access to such opportunities must extend beyond major urban centers. He stated that through these AI laboratories, students in Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions will gain hands-on exposure to emerging technologies, build industry-relevant capabilities, and participate meaningfully in the digital economy. Selected colleges will be equipped with modern AI-enabled laboratory infrastructure to support practical learning, experimentation, skill development, and innovation. The program aims to create pathways for students to engage with cutting-edge technologies while promoting problem-solving, creativity, and technological proficiency. Under the Government of India's AI mission, each laboratory will receive financial assistance of 68.98 lakh rupees over a period of 3 years to be released in 3 installments. In addition, the Government of Karnataka has approved 10 crore rupees for the initiative, of which 6.29 crore rupees will be released in the first year. The government has also approved that selection of 23 educational institutions in the first phase for the establishment of AI data laboratories. Through this initiative, the Karnataka government aims to strengthen its innovation ecosystem by extending advanced technology infrastructure beyond metropolitan centers and creating better employment opportunities for students across the state. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.